Hello, Business Finance 330 students. This is Professor Hassey. It's Sunday, March 15th, and I just wanted to give you a brief update and make you rest assured about our schedule and your due dates for your case paper and your final examination for the coming week. I know we talked about it in class last Tuesday that the final exams are due, don't have to be posted until Wednesday, the 18th, and that still holds. So I want you all to be assured of you can post them at that date and get your grades by the end of the week. It'll be fine. And also, I know some of you are on extension for the case paper, the California Best Trucks. That's okay too. Get it to me by Wednesday, and we're in good shape. And if you have any questions or concerns about any of those two pieces of work, I'm available through the weekend and into next week for email, conversations, even a WebEx session if you need it. So I just wanted to make sure that you don't have to be stressed out, because I know there's a lot of other things stressing you out in the last going around the world these days. I want to show you a couple things from the Blackboard. If you go to week 10 of the file folder in Blackboard, you'll see that final examination preview video, but also I've added this to the week number 10 file folder. It's just a brief synopsis of the key parts of the final chapters of our course and those sections that I ask questions on in the final examination. Chapter 15 about the definition of initial public offering. The initial public offering is naturally when a company decides to go public and issue stock for the first time. Chapter 16, capital structure, and we've talked about this a little bit. The capital structure of a company is the assets that make up the liabilities and equity of a company. The capital structure is the liabilities and the equity of a company, what makes that up. Chapter 17 is how corporations pay out dividends to shareholders. Chapter 18, what is financial planning and financial planning models, budgets, that sort of thing. And finally, Chapter 19 about long-term planning, and more specifically, Section 19.3 about the sources and uses of cash. We spoke about this on Tuesday, but that's the reference section in the textbook in case you want to look that up and research it for your examination work. So I just wanted to go over those areas of discussion so you have that under wraps for your work in this weekend. Of course, today is Sunday, the weekend's almost over, but in your work for Wednesday, because I know a lot of us are being stressed out about our relationship with our work and how where are we going to work and what's the story about school. So I just wanted you to be aware of all this. Now, if it so happens that you need an extension beyond Wednesday, that's acceptable too. I have to have the grades all posted by Friday, but if you need Thursday, I can still work with that. So I wanted to put your minds at ease about that and going forward. One last thing I wanted to talk to you about is just making sure that you're all safe and sound and you're okay going forward into the next week. And if any of you have any questions about the upcoming spring term and all the classes going to be online and how that all is going to work, and if you're a little bit confused about that, need some information, I make myself available should you need any help in that regard. So, ladies, I want to thank you for a great term. I already thanked you last week, but thanks again. By the way, I'm feeling much better. I feel a lot better over the last couple days, so that's a good sign. But you all take care. Any questions about your final work, please let me know. Have a good weekend, and we'll talk to you soon.